This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. RSA Conference just published an article that I've written on the 5 steps for securing your software supply chain. Most modern applications are assembled from open source components, with developers typically writing less than 15% of the code for their application. As the demand for open source software grows, there's also an increase in the number of available open source software. However, not all open source components are created equally or maintained properly. As a result, we are seeing an increase in software supply chain attacks. That increase is on average around 742% per year. The 5 steps for securing your software supply chain are: number 1, having a software bill of materials or SBOMs, so that you understand your organization's exposure when vulnerabilities are discovered. Number 2, performing due diligence and scanning for vulnerabilities. Number 3, having a centralized artifact repository so that only approved software is used. Number 4, keeping your software up to date so that you're not using stale components. And lastly, running a web application firewall or WAF so that you can deploy mitigating controls and give the development team additional time to remediate. Check out the article on RSA Conference for more details.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.